welcome back to my channel. For today's video, this is going to be like a healthy day in my life. I've been trying to get back into a healthier routine, and it's definitely been a struggle to find motivation during this time, which I'm sure some of you guys can relate to. But I'm just trying to be more consistent again with working out and eating healthy, because honestly I just feel my best when I am. So I'm planning to do a home workout today, and then also maybe some healthy cooking. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to be up to. I really hope this video can maybe motivate you guys to also make healthier choices, but you know, also just be kind to yourself, because these are really stressful times. So it's okay if you're not in your usual routine. Give yourself a break and you can get back on it. I know that sometimes it feels like it can be never ending, like you're never gonna find the motivation again, but trust me, having been through it enough, I know that you will. So it's currently Thursday, April 30th. It's 10:30 a.m. I'm about to do my home workout, and I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. I actually tried to do a new hairstyle today. I've just been really liking trying out new hairstyles. This little brat keeps trying to bite me. Nala. So here's today's workout fit. We got a crop top from Fashion Nova. It just says whatever on it. And then I have on this really cute sports bra from Forever 21 that I bought a long time ago. And then we have on some airy leggings. Super cute. We're gonna do our workout now. So here's my workout setup. Obviously we have my mat out here, and then I also like to bring out my laptop, and that's actually because I throw on my favorite show. I'm currently watching Gossip Girl. I'm like rewatching it for like the third time. So I've just been throwing on Gossip Girl whenever I have a task that I don't really want to do, but I know that I need to do it. It really just makes the task so much more enjoyable and helps you like pass the time. I've just been doing this whenever I work out, whenever I'm cleaning or something. We're gonna start the workout. I'm doing abs and booty today. I'm trying to, you know, get that summer body in check right now. Workout. That was so good. I'm feeling great, but now I'm gonna make a protein smoothie. I've been trying to be better about drinking more protein, because I usually don't, and I feel like that's why I don't usually see the workout gains that I want. But I'm gonna make the protein smoothie that I made yesterday. It was so freaking delicious. It was a banana chocolate protein smoothie, and yeah, I'm just gonna make that right now. It's gonna be these ingredients for the smoothie, it's super simple. It's a banana, some protein powder, and this is my current favorite one. It's the organic protein powder in the flavor of vanilla bean. This one's so good and it blends so well. It's not like chalky or anything. And some cocoa powder, peanut butter, and almond milk. Got my smoothie. The only thing I would probably add to it, just to make it a little better, would be some ice, because it's honestly not that cold, so but still really good. Yeah, also because I'm making so many smoothies, you can probably guess that my blender is always dirty. So I try to make it a priority, like right after I finish drinking my smoothie, to wash it. Otherwise it'll just sit in my sink all day, and then I just like, I don't know. It's just so much easier just to do it right away, and then you don't have to worry about it. And it's actually a lot easier to clean if you just clean it right away. I thought I would just mention this because nobody ever talks about it. They don't really talk about the mess after all the cooking. Hey guys, it's been a little bit now. It's currently 1:04 p.m. and I'm going to do some reading. I actually also put on a little extra makeup because I just wanted to feel cute, and I changed out of my workout clothes. I've actually been reading a new book lately. It's called A New Earth: Awakening to Your Life's Purpose by Eckhart Tolle, and I've heard really good things about it, so I thought I would check it out. I've been searching through like a bunch of different books. Like, I just can't finish one if I don't like it enough. It's just I can't do it. So I'll read like part of it and then I just can't continue. And honestly, I feel like that's kind of a waste of time. Like, you can still learn valuable things even if you don't end up finishing a book. So that's why I decided to just move on to something else. It's a spiritual book and I'm sure some of you guys have heard of it. I know it's very popular. I'm really liking it so far though. It's very interesting. It's supposed to help you like understand human behaviors and also just like yourself more. People say it's like a super life-changing book, so that's why I wanted to read it. I'm not super far into it, so I honestly can't tell you like so much about it, but so far I do really like it. I'm gonna make some lunch now. I'm getting really hungry. I've only had that protein smoothie and some coffee today, so we definitely need some lunch. I'm gonna be making a turkey wrap. This is a new recipe that I started making recently and I'm just obsessed, so I wanted to make it for you guys today. I'm also sipping on some Spindrift sparkling water. This is the flavor grapefruit. It's so refreshing, so yummy. Here's all the ingredients for the wrap. First, we have some Trader Joe's spinach flour tortillas. These are so good. I'm so glad I bought them last time because they're just so yummy. And then we also have some Trader Joe's tomato and basil hummus dip. This tastes so good on here. It's like the best combination ever. And then we also have some fresh mozzarella cheese. I just cut this up and throw it in the wrap. And then I'm also gonna cut up some red onion and throw that in there. And we have some turkey. I think I have literally one piece of turkey left, so that's fine, but we're just gonna work with what we got. And then I also have some tomatoes. So yeah, let's whip it up. As always, to make my cooking a little more fun, I'm gonna be watching Gossip Girl at the same time. So here's the filling for the wrap. Obviously we still need to roll it up, but yeah, it does look a little full. I know it's gonna be a little messy, but this just tastes so good. I'm super excited to eat it. My lunch all done. I did my best attempt at rolling this up. It's probably gonna fall apart right when I pick it up, but whatever. And then we have some pretzels. I'm gonna be using the rest of the hummus that I used on this wrap, just because, you know, it's literally almost gone and it's so good. And then we also have my Spindrift. But yeah, this is literally such a quick and easy lunch and it's so yummy and like refreshing. It just like screams summer to me. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm also gonna continue watching Gossip Girl. What's up guys, I just got back from cat sitting, but I think I'm gonna go start editing this video and also clean up my apartment because it's very messy and I do not like it. This was just supposed to be a health focused vlog, whether that be physical or mental health. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!